In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a customer support agent with N8N. This AI-powered workflow can answer customer questions, retrieve information from your knowledge sources, and provide fast, automated support. Start by opening N8N and creating a new workflow. Add a chat trigger if customers will interact through chat, or use a webhook trigger to connect the agent to your website or another platform. Next, add an AI agent node and connect it to the trigger. The AI agent serves as the brain of your support assistant, processing customer questions and deciding how to respond. Now connect an OpenAI chat model or another supported AI model. Configure your credentials and select the model you want to use. To help the agent remember previous messages, add a simple memory node. This allows conversations to feel more natural by keeping track of the context. Next, connect tools that provide information for the AI. For example, you can use a Google Sheets node for fakes, an HTTP request node to retrieve data from an API, or another knowledge source containing support documentation. Configure the AI agent with a system prompt. For example, you are a friendly customer support assistant. Answer customer questions clearly, use connected tools to retrieve accurate information, and ask follow-up questions when additional details are needed. Run the workflow and test it by asking common support questions. Verify that the AI responds accurately and uses the connected tools whenever additional information is required. Once everything is working correctly, activate the workflow and connect it to your website or messaging platform. Your AI support agent will then be ready to assist customers automatically. And that's how to create a customer support agent with N8N Connect an AI agent. Add memory and knowledge tools, test the responses, and automate your customer support experience.